back to another vlog, and today's one is going to be very special because it's going to be our anniversary dinner vlog, and our friends are coming over in some time. It is, I think, 3 o'clock right now, and they'll be here by 4:30. But let me show you all of the preparations that we have done. We are finished cooking everything. So the first thing, when the people enter, they are gonna see this huge balloon thing, which we love it, and it looks so pretty. 2 of the balloons came out. I'm gonna hang them again. So we spent at least 2 hours yesterday, me and Mayank, to do this balloon thing, and it came out super pretty. I'm already done with my makeup. I just have to change my clothes, and also everything is ready here for the dinner. We already prepped everything. We just have to reheat them. Let me show you what all is here. This is how it looks. There's gonna be grilled chicken here, mashed potatoes here. They're empty right now. I'm gonna just make them serve it here before eating. And then pulao is gonna come here. This is butter chicken. This is mixed vegetables. This is dal makhni. And this is paneer kofta stuffed with amul cheese. This is going to be the naan basket. And over here is going to be the raita. For dessert, we are doing gajar ka halwa, which is gonna be served here, and dessert assortments. And some of the appetizers are in the fridge, and some of them are in the oven, like mutton kebab. I already pan fried them, and then I just have to reheat them in here in the oven, and it'll be ready. And yeah, these are the appetizer plates. The wine glasses are there. I'm gonna take the wine glasses out in some time because it's super windy, so they are kind of flying away, you know. And for outside, let me show you what we did. So outside, we put this table here with this, again, the balloon things. We ordered them from on Amazon, and we made them. And the water, the plates and spoons. This is where the cake is gonna be, and the buntinis. So we're super excited. Nitesh and Ashley, when they be on our way, they are gonna pick up the cake and get it for us, because we did not get the time, as Mayank is freshing up right now, and we have to feed Marvel, walk him, and then we're gonna put him upstairs, and then yeah, once people start coming around 4:30, it's gonna be fun.
Alright guys, Yashua and Ashley are here. They picked up our cake, so let me show you. Look at that. That's our cake.
Oh.
And those are little buntinis. Oh my god. They look so good.
Babu, it's okay, baby.
So we are gonna go put the cake outside, buntinis outside. We leave the details in the description box from where we got it, what we got it, and also we won't be able to talk all the time because we'll be attending the guests. So we are gonna just take some snippets, take some shots and stuff, and then you guys can enjoy the whole thing. So we'll see you soon. Babe.
Happy anniversary!
Good morning! Yes, we did not end this vlog yesterday. So today is another beautiful day, December 13th. And today is actually our anniversary. And you guys saw we did a little party yesterday. For those who do not know, we got engaged on December 12th and got married on December 13th. And if you want to know why that happened, go check out how we met video, and everything will be explained in there, that why that happened. So anyways, today is our actual anniversary. Yesterday was our engagement. We just combined the two and had a party yesterday. So I hope you guys got some glimpses of what the party looked like. So since we wanted to have a lot of fun with all our friends who were able to come, because it was not just our anniversary party but our first hosting in the entire 2020 in our new crib, you can imagine the excitement. So I'm gonna show you guys some gifts, and I'm gonna tell you everything that happened last night. So it was so much fun. The appetizer was arranged on the deck like you guys saw. I'm gonna put some pictures as I'm talking to you guys on the screen. The cake, for those who might be wondering, is a bundt cake. We went a little unconventional this year. We wanted to have the bundt cake. It's still over here. The cake was super pretty, and then the little buntinis that we ordered. So if you live in this area, then of course you want to try this. These are the little buntinis of different flavors. So, and for the appetizers, we had mutton kebabs, or shammi kebab as you may know, and then we had rice sheet rolls with carrots, avocado and stuff in it, and then we had the pinwheels, savory pinwheels, which were stuffed with some potato filling, potato, green peas and spices. So those were our appetizers, and obviously they were served with some wine. For wine we had Cabernet, we had Merlot, we had watermelon wine from Aldi's. Oh, that was the favorite wine, by the way. And then so we had some wine. And then for the main course, again, you guys are gonna enjoy the pictures here and some clips. For the main course, we did have butter chicken. Let me start. There was too many items. We had butter chicken, we had dal bukhara, we had paneer kofta filled with cheese, white cheddar cheese inside it. And we had mixed vegetables, and in addition to that, obviously we had butter naan, plain naan, rice, raita, and then we had some grilled chicken and mashed potatoes, just in case if anybody did not get the flavor of the Indian food. So we basically covered all our bases, and that was main course. And for the dessert, we had, obviously we had cake, we had buntinis, but then we also had gajar ka halwa, which is made from carrot. And that was, if you guys have seen our previous vlog, you would know how long did it take for us to cook that. And we had some dessert assortment of Indian desserts like motichur ke laddu, cashew rolls, what else we had, gajak, sesame seed and jaggery, gud wali gajak. And yeah, and that's it. So we had quite an array of dishes served last night. Tanya and I had so much fun. I mean, we both love cooking, so there was no better way when you cannot go out to celebrate our anniversary. We both were cooking, but let me tell you, we were so tired last night because we have been cooking for a straight 2 days almost. She's getting marble ready right now. We are gonna go out, and once we give him a walk and come back, I'm gonna show you our gifts. We are so excited. We got such amazing people, were so thoughtful, and everybody had so much fun last night. We didn't get to play any games, but some other time maybe. We are back from Marvel's walk. We ran into some neighbors. Marvel made few friends, and we had some fun this morning. Let me show you the amazing things we got yesterday. So we got this sparkling rose grape juice wine. Ooh, it looks fancy, huh? And then I got a little prosecco right here. And you know what? Surprisingly, it was funny enough that everybody's gift just blended in together. So we got these wine bottles, and then we happened to got these champagne glasses. How beautiful they are. And then, if that's not enough, we ended up getting this Godiva chocolate. So we got the wine, we got the glasses, and we got the chocolate. Perfect. Everything just blending together. And one more thing, we got this 2020 Christmas ornament, custom made. This is super cute. So anyways, well, thanks to everyone who was able to make it yesterday, and we had so much fun. Tanya is making tea, and we are just gonna talk to our parents while having some tea, and then Yashi and Ashley are gonna be coming over for lunch because we have a lot of leftovers. A lot means a lot, like literally 4 people will do lunch, and I believe 4 people can do dinner as well. But anyways, that's the plan for the day. It's all gonna be very random, so I can't tell you what we are gonna do today. Let's see where this day takes us. Wondering how our anniversary day is going. We are seeing you after a very long time after this morning's talk. Yashi and Ashley are here. We are sitting on the deck. I'm gonna play a game of friends with Tanya and Ashley, actually asking them questions while we sit outside and have some fun. And we'll show you, before we end this vlog, we went outside, did a little shopping, and we are gonna share that with you later. What happened? Where's your balloon?
Oh, look, come here, see?
Can you gently hold your balloon? Yes, that's how you gently hold your balloon. You're a smart boy. Where are you taking your balloon? Where are you taking your balloon? You don't like it? You don't like it? It's nighty night time.
So I think Marvel, Papa?
I forgot we got my
Yeah. Alright, so I think after yesterday evening, you guys are seeing me now?
Yeah.
Because I was so here and there. But anyways, we had so much of fun in our party last night that today was literally getting back from that thing basically, and a little bit of anniversary shopping and relaxing. Because of COVID, we anyways didn't had any plans of going out somewhere or anything, but okay then. But yeah, so we went out and we got some stuff. I got this super cute bag right here that you can see, and the string is over here. I got this bag, and what else? I got an arm candy. So basically arm candy, let me show you what it is.
Alright, and that's my 5-year anniversary charm to her.
So basically it's like this, you can see with the peace, and so this is protection and courage, represents positive energy and honesty.
Which she already is, but she wanted a cool bracelet.
Yes.
And you guys already saw this. And then you wanna show your jacket?
Yes.
So like you guys know, we moved from Florida, we barely had winter clothing, so I took her for some anniversary shopping, and she got this super cool jacket that I honestly loved. Yeah. And then she got a long jacket.
For snowfall.
Yes, so that's for the snowfall days, which will be here soon.
I'm very lazy, so I'm not even getting up right now.
And what else did we got? We actually, I can't show you much, but we actually got a toy for Marvel, so we won't be able to show you that.
If we take,
and
you want to give it to him though? Or no?
Not now, I'll give it to him tomorrow morning. And then I got this super cool robe for myself. We have been looking for ropes forever, and I finally found one that's like super comfy and warm. It's a house robe, and it's by Nautica. And I loved the colors, I loved everything about it. So the fitting was too good. So those were like a couple of things that we got, and yeah, the rest is just some Marvel stuff and some gifts. But our anniversary celebration was spot on. We don't care whether it was COVID or not, but 2020 definitely a year to remember, where we cooked food for gazillion people and had a lot of fun, and we are still eating that food. So that's why we didn't show you anything what we had for dinner. We literally had the leftovers for dinner, and I think we are done with them. We actually gave some to Yashi and Ashley, and then we had whatever we can finish. We finished it.
Still have some cake.
Yes, we do have some cake, and of course gajar ka halwa with that we made is gonna last for a week, so it's not something that we have to finish today. So we thoroughly enjoyed our 5 years anniversary, a good benchmark, well-deserved milestone.
Yes, well-deserved.
And I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. I know that we didn't. I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog and had a lot of fun.
Yeah, seeing all the pictures of our evening party.
I hope that it make your mouth water and you have been salivating while you're looking at this vlog and just go to the kitchen and make something. But anyways, if you need any of the recipes, don't hesitate to just hit us in the comment section.
Yes. Share
Share with your friends, family. Do not forget to hit a subscribe, like, share as an anniversary gift. And we're gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then.